Hey folks, this is Basant here. In this video, I am going to show you how you can automate your Instagram. Literally, you can automate your story mentions, story comments, and even the replies of your messages. So without wasting any more time, let me get started here. So in this video, I am going to use the AI tool. With the help of you are going to create these kind of the automations, and I have personally tested out, and this tool works like a magic here. So after testing out training the AI agent with my Instagram account, here I got these kind of the results here. For example, here I have just randomly selecting any of the account, and I am going to just testing out with the messages. So I have selected this account here, and even if I am going to start questioning any question as a viewer or the audience for this channel, okay, suppose this is the channel, okay, I have set up this automation or the AI, and now I am asking few questions like uh how you can help me. Okay, so this is particularly trained on this data, and this is going to be the with one click here. I will show you out over this video, so wait till the end and you will be the amazed here. So you can see I got the instantly all the things like I will help you scale with AI power marketing, create clear video tutorials. Okay, so give me next steps. Okay, so you will see I'm not doing that anything. This is the AI that is trained on my data. It is analyzing the context I have given, and after getting or analyzing that, it is replying like a human here. So you can see pick two AI tools to spotlight, create 60 seconds, post reel, all kind of this stuff here. So now you can understand, if you have the Instagram and you do all these stuffs manually, with this AI tool you can just do the lead generation, you can send out the messages, you can send out the different kind of the forms, links, and even the post. So I will talk about this AI tool in detail, and let me start here. So this is the ReplySync here, and this is really crazy tool because here you have to just connect your Instagram and you can connect multiple Instagram accounts here. Okay, so in the settings, just go to, after signing up or getting the account from this platform, you have to just go to the Instagram account here, and here you can see I have connected this Instagram account. And once you have connected, it is really easy. Let me talk about, make sure your Instagram account is business account and it has connected to a Facebook page, and after that you can just connect it here. Okay, so once you have done that, you have to go to the this AI agent section, because right now we are training the AI agent. So all you have to just click here on the import from the Instagram. This button will be the enabled when you have connected your Instagram account, and after that click here on the save. If you want to add more data here, you can do that manually. For example, I have added my YouTube channel link. So previously anyone going to ask my YouTube channel link or the name, it cannot able to reply, but after when I just give it the here's the data or the link here, it is now able to reply. Okay, for example, right now you can just select from any of the your previous chats here and start testing out whether this AI is working any good or not. Okay, then we have the preferences. Make sure you also select this preferences. So we have the reply delay. Here you can select the reply delay here. Okay, so I suggest make it the 1 minute. Then we have the limit replies to the training data. It is not able to think outside of your training data, so I suggest make it disabled here. Then if contact asks to human here, so you can enable this one here, and after that you will able to get the email address from that viewer or your audience. Okay, and this email is the question of them is sent to you over the email here. So that is also a good thing, because with that I can just do the lead generation. Then here's the good part, smart AI personality. So by default it will be social media salesperson, but you can make it like the helpful, cheerful, or the informational, giving out. Okay, or just for the sales support, you can just make it here. Then you can select the long words up to the 50 words reply, or the medium, or you can go with the short. I suggest go with the long, because this will give you the more information for your audience. Then we have the tone of voice. I select casual here, and I want to also give it out the emojis in the messages. And this is the contact properties, like it is going to mention the Instagram name, username, bio, or the number of the followers. So click here on this save changes, and now you have trained the AI agent based on your Instagram data here. Okay, so it is going to automatically analyze for the training data based on, for example. Okay, So suppose right now you can see this is empty. So when I click here on the import from the Instagram, I have connected my Instagram here. Now it is going to automatically analyzing my Instagram profile, find out what I am expert about, what kind of the services, the information I provide, and based on that it's going to give the data here that I can just use for training this AI. Okay, so right now it is important, it can take up to the 30 seconds to the 1 minute, so you have to be the stay patient. It depends on the how many the post you have on your profile. Okay, I got it here, you can see I got the niche, I got the content type, I got the engagement style, visual branding elements, and the content themes and the pattern, and this is the notes here. So after that what I can do, I can also add the few of the things manually. For example, my YouTube name. Okay, okay, so this is my YouTube channel, says Guru, and link. Okay, I made the spelling mistake, no worries. Okay, and now simply click here on train my AI. So my AI is trained now. So after testing it again, you have to select the any of the contacts and start chatting out. Now here's the best part, I am now I am creating the automations. Okay, so simply go to the automation section, and here you can just start creating the automation. So I have created a multi-trigger automation. So let me give you a demo here, so it will give you the idea of what kind of things you can do here. So this is the multi-trigger. Whenever any post is the comment received on the any post with this AI tool on the comment, or anyone just sends me the DM, or anyone replies to me on a story, this is the automation will be the work starting on. First I will send out a message, then a post, then a link here. If the link is clicked, this is the question asked. If link is not clicked after 3 days, this is the new thing that will be the sent out, that is the another link. And if anything is done here, okay, then this is the, for example, link is clicked here, then this is going to be added in my list here. So this is the automation I have done here, and now let me show you how I have do it. So first let me back here, click here on the create automation, and now simply add new automation. So it has the some of the easiest automations available, but if you are going to do advanced, I will show you out. For example, if you want to auto like the messages, if you want to Instagram story leads, basically anyone going to engage with your story, their information saved as the leads. Then the comment lead magnets, basically the thing you have seen on the Instagram, anyone just talk about comment this word and they will send you the DM, or it is going to just scrape the leads from those comments. It is basically about that lead man. And then you can use this one, that is the empty automation, that we are going to create our own automation from the scratch. Simply click here on the create automation. Okay, and now it will starting out. So we have the two things right now on the screen, add trigger, based on which this automation will be the start, then we are going to steps as the actions. So simply click here on the add trigger, and this is the normal things basically done on the Instagram for the engaging. Okay, and this is all for the triggers you can use. For example, someone sends you a message, or you send someone a message here, someone replies to your story, someone mentions your story, someone comments on your post, and a contact is added to a list here. Okay, so this is the major things done on the Instagram. For right now I want to do a automation like someone comments on my post, so I will simply click here, and then after that I can select a specific post from my Instagram profile. It will instantly load up the all of my popular or the post on the Instagram here. So I can select any of that. For example, I am selecting this one here and confirm a selection here. Now I can enable to include a keyword here. So I am including this keyword. If anyone going to comment this AI tool keyword, then what will be the my next step I can add here, or I can add the multiple triggers as well. Like even someone going to mention me on a story, this automation is going to be the running out. Now let's go to the this step, that is the adding a step in the action. So what will be the happen when the trigger is done? So like I want to just send a message, or I want to send a link, then we have also the multiple question survey, basically a form. I can just add them into my list, or I can just add a time delay, trigger another automation, or wait for a reply. So this is all the things that you can use as the action. So right now I want to send a message here, so I will do that like hi, here's your message. Okay, and while starting out, what you can do, you can also add the variations. Like if you click here, you will see, okay, not click, you can see this is all the variations. So in the variation I can add their first name. Okay, this is the contact name, will be the add hi, here's your message, and then the name will be the pronounced. You can make them while starting the message out. Okay, then you can add the next step. In the next step you can just like their message, and then in the next step you can also do the things like sharing a post. You can talk them, or you can share them that watch this post or watch this reel. So I'm adding a reel here. Okay, then confirm selection. Okay, this is the next step. Then I can add or send a link here, or I can also send out the audio message. Okay, so I will send a link. So this is the link sent out. So when the link is sent, link is clicked. Okay, so okay, so then you can do the next thing like adding a or asking a question. So when this link is clicked, this question will be the asked, like what is your favorite AI tool. Okay, so you have added this question here, or even you can see the link is not clicked even after the 3 days or even after 3 hours. What you want to do, you can also send another link or a offer here, or when the link is clicked you can ask another question, or you can just add wait for reply, or you can collect the email address. So I am going to collect the email address. Okay, so this is how this automation is I have done here. So what you can do right now, you can just click here on the run only once per contact here, or you can just stop the automation whenever a user going to reply the manually, or whenever you are going to reply the automation for a profile or contact manually. This automation will be the stop only for that contact. Overall this will be the start running out. Okay, then we have also the few things like show results. So whenever I click here on the show results, it will showing me the results and the metrics, like how many the people just watched, just take the action here or engaged with this message here. Same goes for the my liked message, same goes for the post is shared here. Okay, now what you have to do, simply click here on the save and then activate. Now this automation will be the activate. So whenever this post got a comment, or just someone going to mention me a story, this automation will be running like a magic here. Okay, so this is the just overview I have given you. Now what you can do, you can also manage the links here. So for example, you are sharing the links on the automation, you can create them here. By default you can, while creating the automation you can also create the automations, but managing the link you can do it here. Same thing you can do for the service. And here's the all-in-one unibox messages. So right now you don't have to go to your Instagram account or the dashboard to just checking out the messages or replying your messages. You can do that here in the same platform. And here's the most asked question, whether connecting your Instagram account on this platform is actually secure or not. It can ban you or not. So let me tell you, they are just legally and one of the partners for the Meta. So if you are going to connect your account, they are happening over the API. So basically it is secure and your account will not ban here. So it will just make the things effortless. You are not doing anything illegally. You have connected a Meta partner tool here. Okay, so this is the overview I have given about the this ReplySync platform, and the tool is really good. I have personally tested out. If you want to let me share the results with you, so out over the things on the Instagram after connecting this tool, just let me know in the comments. I will happily do that. Now let me talk about this tool pricing. So its lifetime deal is just appeared on the app, so we're starting from the $59. So this is the really beginning of this tool on the app Sumo. So you can just start testing out this tool here. Okay, and if you didn't like this, also 60 days money back guarantee. Somehow if you are not happy, just return it within the 60 days. So this makes it 60 days, 2 months risk-free trial, and if you enjoy it, just keep it. Now let me talk about the plans it has just available. So it has the tier 5 plans available, and every plan has the higher limits. For example, in the tier 1 you are paying the $59. This is the one time payment, and here you will get the activated contacts of the 5,000. So these activated contacts are the every month. So for example, the contacts you have just sent the messages, they like their messages, so those count as the activate contacts. Okay, and every month you can do up to the 5,000 in the tier 1 plan, but if you want higher, I suggest go with the tier 2 or the tier 3 plan. Then we have the connected Instagram accounts. I can connect the multiple Instagram accounts here. I can add the team members, I can create the automations, the created links, I have the form. Okay, and there are also the few limits, like I cannot export the contacts as the leads. Okay, or I cannot remove the ReplySync branding here. So if you want these features as well, you have at least go with the tier 3 plan. Okay, then we have also the question surveys that I can add. So this is the plan details, and the every tier plan has the higher limits I have talked about. So if you want to check it out, the deal link I have just pinned in the comment, and I have also going to let the link in the description so you can get from that this lifetime deal. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want get me cover more detailed videos on the reply sync with the sharing the data, how this working out, or what are the results I am getting, just let me know in the comments. I will also do the videos on them. So that's all. Bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one.